Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to plant potatoes. Seems like the temperature went from 32 degrees to 87. Wow, it's hot. So today I'm going to plant potatoes using these potato bags. I got them off of Amazon and they come packaged like this. Let's check them out. One bag, 2 bags, 3 bags, 4 bags. Awesome. Open the baggies up. So it looks like this. They have little handles to help you carry them around. And then I kind of like that you can check on your potatoes. You can grow so many things in these bags. I'll leave a link in the description. Had to take a break there because my camera quit from the heat, so I decided to go inside and stay out of the sun for a few more minutes myself. So when my camera died, I was busy filling the bags with this much soil. So all 4 of my bags have the soil, and now I'm just going to plant the potatoes. In order to sprout your potatoes, you do this thing called chitting, and it sounds worse, so I'm just going to say sprouting from here on. You take your potatoes and you cut them where you see the eyes, and then you let this scab over, so it's kind of it's scabbed, like, you know, a scab. I'm going to put in each one a few of my potatoes, and I've let a few of them go, so I have different varieties. These are the ones I had on my counter. I've had these on my counter for like 2 months because it was too cold. I'm going to put 4 in each bag. For the larger potatoes, I'm only going to put 2 in each bag. So I'm going to put the larger ones in the black. And I'm putting them in so that this part is facing up. So it's got a bunch of them. Remember to like, subscribe, and follow for more videos like this. So one thing I wanted to explain, the reason you only put the dirt up to here and the potato so low is because as the potato plant starts to grow, you add more dirt. That's called hilling the potatoes. So, or at least I think that's what it's called. I could be wrong. As soon as I see them popping out, I'll add more dirt, and I'm going to go ahead and put them on a different side of my yard where I get more sunlight all day long, and I'm going to water them thoroughly. What's nice about these bags is that it does allow the water to drain, but you do need to be sure that you are up on your watering. That's it. That's all there is to growing potatoes. Later, when I get to harvest them, I'll make another video for you and see how that went.